Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I will feature the driving with my cousin Emily. So napunta siya dito sa amin. Tara guys, punta na natin yung cousin ko sa airport. Tara na with my new car, MUX Isuzu. Tara guys.
Chibo man. Masarap.
Morning, so welcome back again to my channel. So this time today I'm going to Roa City, so I will have a short video with my feet while I am driving the automatic car with my cousin, of course, Emily, no? So she will be the one to be my videographer because I cannot do it without my videographer. So I am now driving the Isuzu MUX automatic with my shoes. I will show you my shoes. We will be driving this Isuzu MUX. So here's the brake pedal and the gasolinador. So shout out to you, my dear friend, your slide on. For those who are automatic driver, I am now driving. Your stroll is driving the automatic car. So ayan na guys, when you are driving the automatic car, ito yung gear natin. So we should press the brake and then put it on the D and then turn down the handbrake. So yan na, alis na tayo guys. Okay, ayan na, sa gasolinador na tayo. Shout out to my cousin, siya yung videographer ko ngayon guys. Kasi pag wala akong videographer, hindi ako makapag-drive ng may videos or magpapag-vlog. Mahirap na kasing ilagay yun ang ano natin, ang ating camera. Ayan o, konting preno. Ayan, tapos yung left foot natin nasa ano yun, nasa area kung saan pwede mong ilagay siya. Depende sa iyo kung comfortable ka o pwede din ganyan. O, ayan. So, Felix Lai, shout out to you. You're always asking me to do the video or shoot the video while driving this Isuzu MUX. By the way, shout out sa mga ano ko, sa mga follower ko ng mga babae natatakot mag-drive. So you can drive also automatic car as long na alam mo yung mga distances, diba? Mas madali mag-drive ng automatic. Okay, so siguro tama na yan kasi nahirapan yung videographer ko guys, ha. Sige na, that's enough guys. Thank you so much. That's it guys, thank you so much. This is just a short video of driving the Isuzu MUX automatic car. So bye bye for now, see you on the next video. Bye bye.